Hi guys, this is 0 and 1, and today I want to discuss the concept of pointers in C language. Before that, let's first see how variables are stored in memory. For this discussion, let's assume our computer is a 16-bit system. This is also called the word size. Remember this, we'll talk about it again later. From what I know, the biggest confusion for most people is the initialization of a pointer variable. Let's take an integer. Int x equals 10. Since it's an int, the system knows how much memory to reserve, which is 2 bytes in this system. That memory block needs a name, and the variable x serves as the reference to that block. Inside that block, the value 10 is stored. That's all. This much everyone already knows. Similarly for a char. Char y equals a apostrophe. Because it's a char type, only 1 byte gets reserved. Now pointers are also the same idea, but the confusion comes from the asterisk symbol. For now, don't think about dereferencing and all of that. Just like int and char, int star is also simply a new data type. But its job is special. A pointer is a variable that stores an address. Technically, it's just a number, but it only makes sense when that number is a valid memory location. If we want to print values, it's the same for pointer variables or for normal variables. Printing x will give 10. Printing y, a char variable with %d, prints its ASCII value because %d means decimal format. But remember, inside memory, everything is stored in binary. Printing the same thing with %c prints it as a character. Again, it's the same data, but the format makes the output look different. Now about pointers. Printing a pointer with %d will try to treat the pointer as an int. On some systems, it may look like it works, but it's unsafe, because the size of a pointer may be bigger than the size of an int, and part of
uses
the address
%c.
Pointers have %p. P prints the address, usually in hexadecimal, because hex is compact and maps neatly to binary, making addresses easier to read. We'll discuss more about this later. Now, sizes. Int and char have different sizes because they serve different purposes. But we can create pointer variables for every data type, simply by adding asterisk to it. And it doesn't matter what the pointer type is, because all pointers store addresses. The size of an address is the same, regardless of data type. So all pointer variables are of the same size. That's it. Hasta la vista, guys.